Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Soludo, Professor Soludo's inauguration encountered a lot of drama as at this morning, where the late Ojukwu's wife and the former governor's wife, Obiano's wife, actually had exchange of slaps. Actually, but the first narrative that came online was that the former governor's wife actually slapped the late Ojukwu's wife over so many issues that went down. The second one, as in the first one, was the fact that she didn't want her husband to become the governor, that where they were exchanging the words slaps and suit. Well, the second video that went also viral was the fact that actually it was not Obiano's wife that slapped Ojukwu's wife first, but the other way around, of which the second video narrated that the wife of wife of the former governor was going around greeting people, dignitaries, and when it got to the person of Late Ojukwu wife, Bianca, he asked, "Oh, Bianca, you are here. I thought you said you will not attend APGA's meeting anymore," and that didn't sit well with Bianca. And according to the narrative we got, Bianca, Late Ojukwu wife, now slapped the former governor's wife, which led to exchange of slaps and blows. But right now, you're going to watch a video. You will decide for yourself who slapped who first or who slapped what. But one thing is certain in this video, there were slaps. Somebody was slapping somebody and they were fighting. But one thing is certain about this whole video is the fact that Bianca's wife, Late Ojukwu's wife, Bianca, did not do swagbe. She defended herself very well. But then, even the husband to the former governor, or the husband to the former governor, that's Obiano himself, was very embarrassed. He had to drag the wife, "Come on, stop all this rubbish. There's an inauguration going on. You're busy fighting like a tout." Honestly, these are dignitaries. These are people who should be looking up to. When you begin to see First Lady, I don't know what must have transpired, and I don't really, it is not worth it. Come to the public inauguration and be exchanging blow and be shouting Ashawo. Nay, you've gone past this. Have you ever seen the Queen of England stoop so low as to be dragging a wig and be slapping and be calling somebody Ashawo? Come on. Let's be role models. I don't want to know. I'm sure most Nigerians are highly disappointed. But one thing is certain. We don't know who started the slap. Whether it is this one will say, "No, it is not me that started." That one will say, "No, it is her that started it." You know, the usual female fight. There was a slap. Watch the video together with me.